Once again, the usual suspect rumor sites are churning out speculative wish lists disguised as leaks about the mythical Sony A7V. Let's dive in and separate facts from fiction.
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say. An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer video simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which all together create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes 10 Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with 10 Studio today.
Earlier this week, a post emerged claiming a detailed spec list for the long-rumored Sony A7V. It includes a supposed 44MP sensor, 26 FPS burst shooting, 8K video, and more. At first glance, it seems plausible. But looking closer, this leak is almost certainly fabricated. The list blends a real Sony 44MP sensor spec sheet with completely made-up camera features. It's a clever tactic. Take an actual sensor model like the 44MP IMX366, then tack on reasonable but unverified capabilities that enthusiasts might desire. This creates an enticing rumor that feeds wishful thinking. Of course, faster shooting speeds, 8K video, and AI tracking sound fantastic. But there's zero evidence Sony has built these into an A7V. The sites claiming this have no track record of credible insider info. They're simply guessing at dream specs to generate clicks and discussion. It's no secret, these sites thrive on manufacturing rumors, rather than vetting insider sources. They've routinely published outlandish claims about cameras and specs that never materialized. Not once have their scoops panned out accurately. Their past rumors now read like wish lists, not reality. Meanwhile, reputable sources unanimously report Sony has no A7V in active development. Multiple Sony camera advisory panel members have gone on record stating an entry-level FX model below the A7 IV makes little strategic sense. Positioning, pricing, and internal product cannibalization concerns all mitigate against an A7V at this time. Sony themselves have shared that no successor is planned for the existing A7 III, and production will end soon. If an A7V were imminent, why discontinue the still capable A7 III this early? The timing simply doesn't line up with these recurring rumors. That's not to say an A7V is impossible in the future. Sony is nothing if not unpredictable, but they have firmly denied working on any entry-level full-frame mirrorless camera this year. With the chip shortage still constraining production, an affordable A7V release is highly improbable in 2023. Constant rumors about cameras that never materialize only serve to misinform buyers and foster false hope. Often, untrusted sources use this as intentional clickbait to mislead readers. They fabricate juicy gossip knowing it drives discussion and generates ad revenue, even if totally unfounded. Rather than regurgitating fictional spec lists, we prefer sharing substantiated leaks from proven sources. Right now, they uniformly agree no A7V plans are underway. We aim for trustworthy info readers can rely on, not fairy tales and wishful thinking. Some may view repeated A7V rumors as harmless or even exciting possibilities to ponder. But the propagation of misinformation ultimately breeds consumer cynicism once the made-up claims inevitably fail to deliver. It also risks steering buyers towards poor choices, chasing products that don't exist. There are surely interesting cameras coming in Sony's pipeline that will delight enthusiasts. But outlets posting spurious rumors do a disservice to the community. Responsible reporting means avoiding unfounded gossip and managing expectations through accurate insights. For now, the A7V remains a unicorn more myth than reality. Sony's energy is better spent on existing products and technology than reacting to every fanciful rumor. As always, we'll focus on sharing credible updates as they emerge. But consumers are advised to maintain healthy skepticism of claims from disreputable sources with no history of authentic leaks.